In today's video, I want to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So to enable sensitive content on Telegram, this means you are actually telling Telegram to not hide any content that is meant for adult on your Telegram. So to actually enable this sensitive content, this is what you do. The first thing, you have to go to your Telegram. So open up your Telegram. So once you open up your Telegram, I want you to tap on the settings. If you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see the settings icon. So I want you to tap on that settings. So once you get to settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. So once you tap on privacy and security, then you want to scroll down. You want to scroll all the way down. You're going to see where it says disable filtering. You're going to see disable filtering. You just want to tap on that disable filtering. So guys, if you are using an Android device, you're going to find it under this place at the bottom here. You're going to see disable filtering. You can simply just enable that disable filtering to enable sensitive content. But if you are using an iOS device, that is, if you are using an iPhone, you cannot find it on this Telegram app because of the App Store restriction. So how do you actually enable this sensitive content on iPhone? So to enable it on iPhone, you don't want to do this through the app. You want to do this through the web browser. So let's do that. So if you are using an iPhone device, you just want to go to your Chrome browser. So let's open up my Chrome browser. So once you open up your Chrome browser, you want to go to the Telegram web browser rather. So you just want to go to www.telegram.org. So it will open up the Telegram for you. So you just want to log in with your details, and once you log in to your details, once you log in with your details, they want to check here. Want to tap. Want to check the top left corner. You're gonna see the three parallel lines over there. I want you to tap on that menu. So once you tap on it, I want you to check down here and tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on privacy and security, to load up this page for you. So on this page, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom side. So once you scroll down here, you can see we now have these features over here. We have it. So you just want to tap on this disable filtering. Just make sure you enable this disable filtering, and you'll be and sensitive content will be enabled on your Telegram. So guys, this is how to actually enable sensitive content on Telegram. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.